Have you ever been to a Disney park and had one of the yummy snacks there? That's one of my favorite parts about visiting, and today we're going to be making a Mickey pretzel right in your own kitchen. Hi, I'm Mindy from the MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and we're going to be making Mickey pretzels that will take a few minutes and you'll be enjoying a Disney treat right in your own house. Let's get started. The ingredients you'll need for this recipe are refrigerated pizza dough, 1.5 cups water, 3 tablespoons baking soda, 1 egg beaten, salt, and dipping sauce. Begin by spreading flour all across your work surface so that your dough doesn't stick to your countertop. Open your can of refrigerated pizza crust. You can use store brand or name brand, it doesn't really matter. Mine needed a little help, so I used this spoon. Be careful when it pops. Remove the dough and unroll it, keeping it over the flour. Once again, you don't want it to stick to your countertop. Grab your pizza wheel and cut lengthwise across the dough. It's important to remember that 2 strips of dough will make 1 large Mickey pretzel. Next, open a sheet of parchment paper on a baking sheet. Roll up your dough into a circle and pinch the ends together. Grab another slice of dough, cut it in half, and roll both halves into circles. Pinch the ends, and they make Mickey ears. Pinch the Mickey ears to the Mickey head. Go ahead and make another Mickey pretzel because Mickey needs a friend. Take your bowl of water and add your baking soda. Use a whisk and mix it together. Next, take your pastry brush and dip it in the baking soda mixture. Brush the tops of the Mickey pretzels completely, but make sure not to oversaturate. The baking soda mixture is what gives the dough the pretzel taste and texture. Grab your beaten egg and another brush and brush the tops of the Mickey pretzels again. The egg is what gives it its golden brown color. Next, grab a little salt. Sprinkle it on top. It's time for the oven. Bake your pretzels at 450 degrees for 6 to 8 minutes depending on your oven. Make sure to watch it so they don't overbake. Remove the pretzels from the oven. Transfer them to a cooling rack. But don't worry, you'll only have to wait a minute or two before you can enjoy them. So you can see that our Mickey pretzels are done. We have some cute little Mickeys and a big Mickey. And you'll also want to remember to get some dipping sauce because pretzels always taste better with dipping sauce. This recipe was super easy to make and it's a way to bring some Disney magic into your own kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below with your favorite recipes so I can maybe highlight them on my channel. I also have an exciting announcement to make that I'll be coming out with the Disney Recipe Cookbook on Amazon soon, so you'll want to make sure you're subscribed and hit the notifications so you'll know when that comes out.